hibiscus flower. Okay, so this is the stem.
Yes.
This is calyx, sepals. That is also called the sepals. Okay, so we have opened these sepals. Okay, so this is the sepals. That is also called the calyx. Yes. Then this is called the petals. So how many petals here? 5. And it is also called the corolla. Okay, so these are the petals. Reproduction take place by these parts. Okay, so here you see in the yesterday we saw in the images. Okay, so this is the what is called this female reproductive system. So this is the stigma. Yes, these are the stigma. Then this is the filament, and on that filament there is a one. On the stigma there on the filament there is anther. Yes, and on the anthers there is a pollen grains. So yellow color pollen grains we will see here. This is a tube. Yes. So from this tube, the pollen grains are deposited here on the stigma. Yes, and then it goes from this tube to the ovule. So this is all called ovule. This is ovule. Yes, and in that ovule there is this ovary, and in that ovary you will see the ovules. Okay, so the pollen grains goes from this stigma with this tube and deposited on the ovules, and here the pollination and the reproduction will take place. Okay, so got it?